What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to put an RPI diesel intake on my 2013 Cummins. Sorry if it's a little loud, I'm working on the side of the street. Okay, so here we got the stock one. Pulled that all out already. I got the shield mounted in. Just these two bolts, one there, pretty easy. Everything else is unplugged. You got your mass airflow and your intake temperature sensor. You got both those unplugged, and then we got the air box, the ram air unplugged as well. I got these all mocked up. I got my sensors in them already. You just swap those two sensors over, and there's your air filter. I bought this used though, so it looks like a guy put a right there. You see the hole, self-tapper there, holds that stronger. Let's get to putting this in. You just fish this in, tighten up your clamps and everything. We'll stick that on and we'll get back to it. We're back out in the countryside again, so nice and quiet. Got it all installed. Here it is. I stuck that self-tapper in. It did keep it nice and strong. Well, it's pretty good anyways. Here's the final install. You got your CCV hose here, and then I rotated a couple clamps just because some stuff was sitting the way I didn't like it, but that's all. Let's go and give it a test drive so you guys can hear how it sounds. Forgot to mention, I just tied up the airbox wire down here, just right there. Keep it all nice and tidy. And the one other thing I did is I flipped this around just so the nut was easier to get to, just because I'm running Group 31 batteries in this. Going on a test drive now. We're going to do this windows down. I do have an engine light on just because I have to still tune it so it says the airbox isn't there anymore. Yeah, it's not part of the instructions, but here we go. Try that again with the windows up. Slow down. Do it from my stop actually. And this is windows up from a stop. Really makes the exhaust brake sound good whenever it stops. Overall, it sounds great. Here's a little bonus. Wasn't expecting to do this, but we got the 16-foot car trailer on. Wow, it's an enclosed trailer. We're at a stop. I'm just gonna step on it. I got it locked in 5th though, so we're gonna hit 6th. That's with a trailer on, how it sounds. think that's everything. Thanks for sticking around. Have a good one.